Kublai bun pi barok ki parla ki bapet ya kenika video ha kenika channel ka jonga te parla ka kenika video ngon rak pi kumno u roman ren u Phla Shaphang Jisu Khrist bat ka jinget jong u ublai hoit barok la tip let's say Shaphang jong u bat ngai iroi u hakir san social media bat haki timbi u dai u ni kirang 4 bapawnam u bom ju job jongka World Wrestling Entertainment WWE ka karteng bupura jong u kadai u leti Joseph ano bat u dai ru napo kari Amerika u la job yesibon ki jingi khon bat dai lang ba ki jingi khon ki papan long u hakawai ki interview ban Phla Shaphang Jisu u soto ba kabor bat ka jing khran jong u kamlong ai la da klam ka jing ron ka ju ublai da ka ba u Phlaru ba omdon ke ai ka bala ban long klam ublai kamper la pidai u Kristan ne muslim ne uno onoro u dai hi ublai jong pi la da pi ngai ha Jisu Khrist u khon jong ublai ngaju perkat bakano kano kalong yang ne uno bro ubajob haki ai usoto badai ublai ubale yakata bat uplaro ba ukon jo ublai Jisu Khrist ulayap namar ki pop ki jogi ale tong ne pejmenta yakajing kren jo hado kabakot.
Nothing's possible without God, and whether you're Christian, Muslim, whoever your God is, if you believe in Jesus Christ as the Son of God, I think at the end of the day, it's important that we have like a true North Star, a belief in something bigger. I think any successful family or person understands that God is making all this happen. So whether you're religious or not, I think it's important to believe in a higher power. And I specifically believe in God. I believe, Jesus Christ is the Son of God. He died for our sins. I was born and raised Catholic.